In this video, let's explore what are the different search options available within Microsoft Copilot Studio interface. Now, in Microsoft Copilot Studio, you can build agent. Now, agent is composed of various components. It can be topic, it can be the component itself within the agent. Then there's tools. You can add multiple agents within it. Then once you do that and you perform some test, you get an activity, and then you can use entities, language, collections, etc. So these are the different components which you can search individually. And there is a new feature whereby you can search anything within Copilot Studio. Now, when I say anything, means it does not include some of the things over here, but the things which are pretty much important, you can search through using uh, that particular search interface. Now, from a knowledge perspective, if you go into the knowledge tab, you have an option to search knowledge. Tools tab, you can search tools. Now, it is useful when you have a lot of knowledge items. Then it makes sense to use a search, because if you have just three or four items, you can anyhow see that is in the within the screen. So for tools, you can search for tools. For agents, you can search for agents. For topics, you can search for the topics. So depending on the tab you select, like the custom or a system or all, it will show you that particular hint. Then you can search for entities. So if you have a whole bunch of entities, if you want to search for a specific entity or any entity which you built, you can search from this box. From an activity perspective, you can search for a conversation ID, and then you can even find that run by conversation ID pop-up uh, message box over here. Then from a language, like there's a whole bunch of language which Copilot Studio supports, so you can search for language, and then if you have created a component collections, you can search for the collections as well. But the new feature is, like, there is something called as a search icon, which you will see in the far right. If you click on that, here you can search for multiple items, multiple components. So as you see over here in the screenshot, you can search for topics, you can search for knowledge, you can search for tools, actions, and other things. And also it will show you when did you create those particular component. So that's bit of a handy information. Also, you have an option to categorize the search into knowledge, topics, tools, skills, and entities. So let's see that in action. So I've got this Copilot Studio interface. Now, first thing, if you see in this Copilot Studio interface is you will see uh, first step to create that agent. So you can provide a prompt and create an agent, and then you have recent items, then you have agent exploration, and you have some learning resources. Now, if you go inside, say, one of the agent, so if I navigate to this agent area, now here it will show me list of all the agents. Now, I have three agents over here in this environment, but if I go into my another environment, here you will see whole bunch of agents created. Now here you have an option to search for an agent. So if I want to search for, say, a bot, say I've created Barcelona bot, so I can just type in and then I can get that result. Now if I go inside, so let me cancel this off. So if I go into one of the agent which I've created, so here there are various search options available. So if I go to knowledge, I can search for knowledge by typing the knowledge items over here. So if I just type in doc, I'll get that result. Go to tools. Here, if I type in, say, dataverse, then it will give me all the items which has dataverse listed. Go to agents. Here I can search for agents. Now this list is not comprehensive, so everything is available within the screen. If I go into topics, if I search for custom topics, so if I just have written some topic related to T00, I can get that list item. If I click on system, I can search for system topics. If I click on all, I can search for all the topics within my system. So if I want to search for thank you, I can just type in THAN and then it will get me the items. Similarly for activity, so if you see over here in activity, you'll have all the activity list within your Copilot agent, Copilot Studio agents, and you can search. Now here you cannot directly search by the name, because there is the name is just like the person or the service principal which has created that. So you need to click on find run by ID and then specify the conversation ID. Now, from where do you get the conversation ID? Is like if you say pick up, say, one activity. So let me pick up this activity. Now here there is an option to copy the conversation ID. So I'll just copy the conversation ID from here, go back, and then let me maximize this a bit. And then from here, find run by ID. I'll just type in the conversation ID, click on find run, and then it will search for that conversation ID. And then it will take you to that specific particular activity. Then going on to, then there's from analytics, there's no specific search because this is all about reports. Then we have channels. So here in channels, it is just like a simple list of channels. So there's nothing specific. Now here, if you go into say one specific agent and then navigate to the settings of that particular agent, here under collections, so component collections, you will see all the listed component collections. So here under available, you will see search collections, and then you can search for collections. Then we have languages, so you can search for languages as well. So that's all about searching for individual component. But now with the new feature which got rolled out within the Copilot Studio interface, you will have a search item over here. So if you search, if you click on this icon, search your agent, it will search across your agent with different components. So what are the different components? So knowledge, topics, tools, skills, and entity. So it will search for all this. Now it has a shortcut Control J. So if I just type in Control J in my keyboard, it will open that particular interface, and then I can search for various components. Now as you see over here, these are the components which have been either created or updated during that specific date. So it says recently updated. So this is the jet engine. So this is that topic which I have created. This is like uh, the the tools. Then there is a knowledge items. So it will show you this particular icon, and then you can go and navigate to that specific item whatever you want. So take for example, if I want to go to say reset conversation, I'll just click on it, and then it will take you to that reset conversation topic. Similarly, if I click on that search your agent, if I click on selected class package policies and benefit the knowledge source, it will take me to that specific uh, file group. So basically this is a file group, and that's why it has taken me to this file group. So if you click on search your knowledge, and if I go to airline codes, it will take me to that particular say knowledge source, which is of type public website. So it does not distinguish between the knowledge source, whether it's a public website, files, file group, or dataverse, or any other knowledge item, but it will just give you that. So if you see, this is like a document, simple document. So I'll just click on it, and then it will take me to the knowledge source of files. So it's a nice bit of handy tool which gives you a glimpse of what all items you have recently played with, and also it will give you a nice trace of how you have been utilizing that agent in terms of creation of that content, like the topics or actions or knowledge source. So that's it, folks. This is all about searching your agent. This is a new feature. So even if this list is long, if you do not want to scroll, you can also search your agent. So if I just type in error, and then it will give me on error. Now remember, now what, when we looked into this error, it just had like one component over here, so on error. So I thought like I might get this output, but if you search error, it has given me a topics, it has given me on error topic, it has given me all those different items within that. So make sure that you search for a specific item, and then it will take you to within the topic as well. So it will not only take you to that main topic, but then it will take you to that within the topic as well. So this search is that powerful, it can go into that level of depth. So that's it, folks. This is all about search within Microsoft Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching.